Hi everyone, welcome to Oakmoon Live. In this week, I'm gonna work on a very simple project. I'll be making a coin pouch, and this will be a fairly easy project for beginners to attempt because it just uses 2 layers of fabric and very small amount of stitching. So let's get started. So here I'm starting off with tracing around the pattern, and the pattern I'm using here is the hand-drawn version, but a proper downloadable version is available on my website. So just click on the link in the description and you can see the pattern up there. Now I'm gonna trim both pieces of the leather, and mainly it's all straight lines with the exception of the organic shaped cutout on one side. This will be a good practice for freehand cutting if you're a beginner, but just remember to have a sharp blade and cut it out at one go. You don't want to score the line and go it multiple times, especially around the tight corners. Next, I'm gonna punch 2 holes on the inside piece so I can install some snap buttons. I don't have a proper hardware press as they are hard to get here, but I found this generic Chinese press that is modified to hold a drill chuck, so I can use it with my snap button setting molds. But you can use hand setting tools and get pretty good results. I used to use hand tools for a long time. It's just with the press I get consistent results, so I switched it over to using to this. And ignore the piece of wood, it's just I needed something flat underneath, and I was making a surfboard fin, so it's a failed attempt, so it's nothing to do with anything to do with leather crafting. So now all I gotta do is glue the 2 sides together, and while making it I decided to add a small D-ring on one side so that the coin pouch can be attached to a keychain or something. So I totally forgot to record this part, so just pretend that I'm cutting the corners here. Alright, getting to the end now, so it's the same thing, just mark out the edge, punch the holes, and then just sew it up. Alright, there you have it. Just testing out the pouch to make sure it works the way it's supposed to, and well, it does, and I really like how it looks. I hope you guys had a fun time watching me make this coin pouch, and I think it's a really good beginner's project that you should try if you're just starting out with leather crafting, and it's something that you can use every day. Also remember that the patterns will be online on my website, and I still have a 50% discount going on, I think until the 13th, so check for the promo code in the bottom.